Hi guys, welcome to Exeter.
Let's start in Gandy Street, which is full of quirky independent shops. It was claimed that J.K. Rowling based Diagon Alley in her Harry Potter books on Gandy Street from when she was at Exeter University. Princesshay is a modern pedestrian-friendly shopping area, which is home to a variety of mid-range to upmarket brands. It offers numerous dining options, ranging from the well-known restaurant chains to independent venues. Records show there's been a pub here since at least the 16th century, maybe even the 15th century. We are now heading into the Cathedral area, which is lined with Georgian and Victorian buildings, most of which are now home to local shops and businesses. Hi guys, well done if you got this far into the video. I really appreciate it if you can give me a like, or even better, a subscribe would be super duper. So once again, thanks, and if you've got any comments about Exeter, if you've been, if you live here, whatever, just drop us a comment. Enough of him, let's head on and cross the street into the Guildhall area. In recent years, this has become the home of street food stalls and a variety of chain food restaurants. Fore Street has many specialty and alternative shops, many of them independents. As well as this arcade. Find all your familiar shops, some of which are housed in historic buildings. Cheers, my dears, and thanks for watching.